just work on with the one on the S22. Well, this will be 4 trains today. This one with 3 engines, it wouldn't surprise me if this was a mid-engine too. But I don't know what I'm talking about. I know very little to nothing about trains. I've just been learning a little bit as I go. I'll say something that somebody knows about trains. I'll say something and they'll say, "What an idiot." And they'd be right. Let's see, this is, like I said, this is Emerson, Georgia. It is about 5 till 4. May the 18th, 2024. Oh, this one wasn't long at all. 78 degrees. It's not near as long as it looked to start with. Okay, well, let's wrap this up. I don't know if we'll go fishing or do something else yet.